Hello there, it's Antoinette and welcome back to my channel. Now last year I did a video on fragrances, like the etiquette around fragrances, perfume and all of that, and I also showed you some of my current collection, well my collection then, and I did mention in that video that I was looking to get more fragrances. So since we're about to step into spring, I thought I'll try something new, like a springy scent that I haven't tried before. So I decided to go with Maison Francis Kurkdjian and the Feminin Pluriel fragrance, because it not only seems very feminine but also very spring-like, like spring summer scent. Because a lot of the scents that I've currently got, they're really heavy, they're like more nighttime going out scents. So this should be sort of like a fresh, clean break from my usual. So yes, I'm dipping into MFK's line. I really like some of his perfumes that he's done for other brands, so it only makes sense for me to tap into like his own personal creation with his own line. And I've smelled a couple of them before, particularly the ouds, and they're amazing, which lets you know why they're so popular. But I think a lot of people are sleeping on some of like the less popular scents that he's created, and I'm not afraid to try this particular scent because I don't think I'm going to be disappointed, but let's see. So yes, this is my first impression, and I'll check in with you later on after I've worn it for a bit during the day. Let me just open this up. So this is how it looks. It comes in like a cardboard box. Anyway, this is the 70 ml. So yeah, the packaging is very standard. It's got the logo on top, white and gold theme. Let's just open this up. MFK message for you, like, so it's got like a, okay, I think this is just going to give you like the notes of the fragrance. It just goes on about what the fragrance is, and then this is it. Now the actual fragrance, the bottle is a lot prettier than the packaging. Yeah, this is pretty. It's really cute and very feminine. This is really aesthetically pleasing. Like, you can put this as a display on your counter if you've got that, if you're one to display your fragrances. So I do like the bottle. I'm not mad at the bottle. And now let's try the scent. Well, let me. Yeah, I like this. I like it. I'm picking up more. Is it the jasmine? Jasmine, a bit of the orange blossom, like an elegant floral chic type of scent. Oh, different scents. It's strong. You can tell that it's strong, but it's soft. And it's definitely daytime. So yeah, I'm right to get this. It does smell like a spring summer smell. I'll check back with you guys later on in the day, but I really like this fragrance, and I can tell that it's going to be one of my favorites. It's already making me smile. I mean, I've just sprayed it in my room and I'm already happy. So yeah, I like this. I like it a lot. So if you're into your floral scents, not every day like oud or musky or dark or woody, like, yeah, this is the one. Yes. Hello there. So this is, what is it, 7.5 hours from the time that I first sprayed the perfume, and I said, because I said I would check in with you after I've worn it for a while. So it's been 7.5 hours and the scent has lasted. So it's long lasting and it's not too overpowering. You know, you get those scents that are overpowering. No, this is such a beautiful fragrance. It's there in my top 5 now, and I can see myself wearing this a lot going forward. The scent changes throughout the day. So what I initially was smelling is not what I'm smelling now. A lot of earthy tones are coming through. You know, initially there was that jasmine and the floral, but now it's a combination of all sorts, which is all mixed up in a good way. Not too this, not too that, just perfect. And I really am enjoying this. Even my husband was like, he had to talk. He was like, what is that? Yeah, it's a nice scent. I think you can wear it in the evening as well. So it has those tones, but I'm going to keep this, for me, it's going to be a daytime fragrance, but it's definitely something you can wear day and evening. It's got sexy vibes now. which I didn't initially pick up when I first sprayed it. But like I said, the scent's been changing throughout the day as it's mixed in with my body and everything. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fragrance. So I would highly recommend it if you're looking for something for a springy summer fragrance type of thing and you don't mind something that has hints of floral in it. So I'll leave this video here for now. Hope you got value out of it, and if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing so you can get more content from me. Until next time, it's bye from me.